Hi everyone, today we'll draw a panda eating bamboo. I will use a liner for that goal, and we start from the nose and draw a short line down. And then we will draw two pupils and mark two highlights to make it look cute. And then we will draw two spots around the eyes, and it starts to look like a real panda. After that we will draw the eyes around the pupils, and you can see it starts to look more cute. And then we will draw the mouth, but don't worry, it will not be sad, it will be eating bamboo and be happy. And now we draw the head with a small forelock on the top. And draw the ears. And let's draw the bamboo. It consists of 5 sections. And let's mark them with partitions. And now we will draw a few leaves above. And below. And then we will draw the right hand holding the bamboo. And the left hand. Let's connect them on the breast. Now we draw the tummy. And 2 legs. Let's connect them together. And we draw the feet. And let's designate the legs. Yeah, don't forget to finish the head. And now I will take a black marker and start coloring our panda. I start from the ears. Then I color the nose and the spots around the eyes. Yeah, now it looks like a real panda. And then I color the hands. I take a thicker marker, you can take this too if you have. But of course I use a thin marker for small details. And we will color the feet. And the legs. And I will use a green marker to color the bamboo. And that's all, our panda is ready. Thanks for watching.